Kartel, what is your goal right now, bro? I mean, my goal right now is to just take over back dancehall. You know what I mean? Bring dancehall back on a level internationally where we see reggaeton is now, where we see Afrobeat is.
A few moments later.
I'm saying, and I say this without any fear of contradiction, we are cruising nicely.
So? 2,000 years later.
Let's see if Kartel even come back, bro. I even say you want to stifle the business or whatever you want to do, bro. At least I drop good music. You want to drop beer rubbish. Beer rubbish, I come out of the studio with this man, brother. Beer rubbish, brother. You see me?
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Boy, go on, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, people, we're not going with. See people in the comment and things, I see what I say and thing, but you don't know respect, you see me? Yo, people. Some see Russian post a thing. So they must say you're Russian, I say dancehall bored and without him present. You understand? Yeah, man. But imagine vybzkartel producer. Well, one producer say this. Say dancehall boring without him. So, me did think, say, them say a vybzkartel, I run dancehall, a wagwan, something na right here. You understand? But see the comment we make, place boring, new rhythm loading. Me think say a vybzkartel around the place, man. You understand? Because only thing we see are shows, and if him now they not show, them not really talk nothing about him. You understand? But for sure, you people, sometimes it kinda spooky, you know. You understand? It kinda spooky in a way where you see what I'm trying to say. But I have a video for play people, seeing. I make you not hear the video. You understand? Because some of the time them don't want to talk the truth, people. That me not rate. But nothing wrong if you not talk the truth. You understand? vybzkartel are 50 next year. Seeing? 50. Nothing wrong. I just different generation. I saw a thing said. If him time up, him time just up. Nothing wrong with that. Soon after, one of favorite artists them or whatsoever, I go reach the limiter. Remember say back in the days, Bounty them and everything was the main man them in a dancehall where I do the thing. But them do them thing and do the thing already. But it's like, I don't know, with Kartel thing, like, we no want to talk the truth and the evidence is right there. You understand? But I want to listen to the video, yeah, and listen with vybzkartel, I say.
Fully active Gaza. Kartel, what is your goal right now, bro? I mean, my goal right now is to just take over back dancehall. You know what I mean? Bring dancehall back on a level internationally where we see reggaeton is now, where we see Afrobeat is. That is the goal. Forget it back to the area of dancehall.
So people, he must say he want to get back dancehall with Afrobeat and all of these things. But people, which one I dancehall him attack? Because if him put out him song them and it not really do any major thing, I wish dancehall him really attack. You understand? Because people, one man alone can't move the genre, you know. Remember, say the Afrobeat artists, them enough of them. You see what I try to say? And when you check it, the big Afrobeat them have a more bigger population. You understand? But I'm going to do a review with a view with that. You see me? Yeah. But people, watch you now. Seeing? So from vybzkartel release from prison. You see, come here for show people certain things, you know. Come feel like them people here, I don't know. Them just delulu, you see it. So vybzkartel before him come out. You see that white album cover the name first week out. Seeing? Him drop that as him just come out. Nobody not talk about it. We not see no numbers. Seeing? The other one when him, where you see with the girl head and thing, Party with Me. I think him drop that before him come out. It nominated for Grammy. We don't know no numbers, we don't hear nothing about it. Seeing? Him drop Vikings. They must say a 10-year anniversary and every little thing. It must drop number 10 on the Billboard chart. Less than 2,000 views. Seeing? Yeah, I think less than 2,000 streams. Something like that. Seeing? And for sure, you people. For a man who just fought from prison, I get the biggest highlight right now. For you sell such a small amount of copies, it has to be studied. You understand? Has to be studied. See? And then him drop one recently. I think that one I sub me for Grammy again. Heart Souls. Nobody no know any numbers. Nobody really talk about no song pan it. People, and when you look on these things, I say, yo, no the Kartel this way usually, when they say I drop it song them and every so after a sudden when the man getting biggest one and big, well, to me this is biggest highlight of all time in my career. You understand? I go worldwide travel and I do shows and all of them look at something there. You understand? So what happen now? You tell me say the man drop 4 album and the whole of them tush. Zine, the whole of them tush car. The reason why them nominated, is just popularity and the hype, You understand? Yeah. Cause nobody talk about the song them pan it. You understand? Yeah, people, but me if I try to show you, say, look here, everything we go on now are just the hype. You see it? In producer say your dancehall boring. Remember, I'm producer this. I remember them say him a Ray dancehall. Me no know what kind of which kind of dancehall them attacks him about carry like Afrobeat and all of them look something. Because me no know which one because the numbers not doing well. If you put out 4 album and it goes so down the hill, I wish genre you go put out there, brother. Cause you can't use shows. Shows can't push genre, bro. You understand? Shows can't push genre. You see it? Yeah, man. Show can't do that. Cause you need music. Music you need. Cause I remember him stop the gun song. I remember say majority that way bill him catalog, Gun song and them something. That way enough people rate him for. So when him go put on him strongest theme, everything I go down the hill. And him quality and him voice and every little thing. The song them, I don't know where am I singing at the song them and every little thing. You see what I try to say? So enough thing I go on in business right now, people, I tell you. But I have a video with that brother here. I talk some real thing we are going. You understand? But I want to listen. You understand? Yeah, man.
I never do a better thing than say vendetta and a vendetta my artist, bro. Bro, in all honesty, bro, you see from Kartel really drop from prison, brother. Me no know. The space just feel corrupt. The space, dancehall space just feel corrupt, bro. The man them now drop music like how they used to and they on top. Let's see if Kartel even come back, bro. I even say want to stifle their business or whatever I want to do, bro. At least I drop good music. You wanna drop beer rubbish. Beer rubbish I come out of the studio with this man, brother.
You know what the problem, people? The artists them a do what them have to do, But I'm tell you now. The industry steer the camera upon one man. Seeing? Remember back in like 5 years ago, them did have focus on the youth them and the youth them music. You understand? Because the hype their own Kartel thing and now he must sold out the shows and everything because of the prison thing and hype and the links and every little thing. It's what I try to say. DJ them. Because remember now. Seeing? You see, because the social media gets so powerful now, the drama now sell more than the music right now. You understand? At that, more than the music. If you realize, majority of the song them now really go rare. If you realize, in a dancehall right now, yeah, them a talk about, the GOAT, the DISS, who are the king, who are the this, who are the that, who have more views, all of them. But when the music them drop, yeah, them not really focus on the music. You see what I try to say? At the hype and the drama, this man a buy house, yo, sold out show. Yeah, sold out shows is good, numbers, but Kartel not really perform with, if you say, yo, because right now over Canada, people must say, yo, hope you come keep up your sugar with the performance, You understand? But yeah, it look good for dancehall, for the shows them, but we all know why everything happen now. We know say him never go this for 49 years, him not go Canada for, So, it over expected, say, yo, 3 shows, all if I 4 shows, sold out 5 shows. Yeah, it expected, 49 years. You understand? So, the artists them in a dancehall, them a do what them fi do. And you know what the worst thing, people? Kartel, remember, them a compare Kartel with some young baby artists. You understand? No disrespect to the artists them, but we are talking about when we say baby, the man them just bust where they. Kartel in a game for about 30 odd years. Seeing? Them artists are just just bust with you like the last 5 years. Some of them not even do 10 years, people. So it's like, come on, man. Remember, you know, say Kartel put out a lot of songs, you know, release a lot of songs. And it go get played because, you know, back in the days, Kartel links with certain people and all of them look something. They understand the DJs, them and everything, you see me? Yeah, man, it's a system. You see it? So, what really going with Fame thing right now, too, is because you don't know, say, yo, he move Ghana foreign now. So, DJ, them a Jamaica, say, yo, you can't go on, you know. You understand? You can't go on. He might collect millions, you know, with their yard, you know, money not running, you know, so, not really sure, not really playing a man song and I make money, I mean, you understand? They are foreign now, so I'm not too deep on the ground like that for you see me? Yeah, man. But we're going to finish this with a brother, I say.
Be a rubbish, brother. You see me? I'm just wait for somebody on TikTok, take it as a routine and just call it a hit song. And it's not a hit song. Bro, me don't know where this man do to the business or where he do, bro. But when the man come from jail, bro, or prison, brother, the business just come like it a stifle, bro. The music, we not feel the music like how it's supposed to. Man, them, bag of man, them used to have forward out, brother. We don't really hear the new artists that come out. Really. And I guess the Gaza fans them think it's a flex, bro. For hold on youth's career, brother. And feel like it's a flex, brother. It's not a flex, bro. Right now, the music not sound like it's supposed to. The music, no. Only thing we really are seeing in Cover Jail is the shows, bro. But in terms of the music from each and every artist, bro, on a level, bro, the music has stifled, bro. Even if, bro, at one point, bro, you would have a 5, 6, 10 hit song I play at one time, bro. Right now, bro, and 1 and 2 song I play, brother.
Yo, let me tell you right now where I'm going. You see, because we are looking the way, let me tell you people, from COVID, a lot of things change. From COVID. A lot, social media gets so powerful where people start tuning to other things. You understand? Them start tuning to other things. And when I really hear, as him said that I true still, when I really hear a lot of artists are boss, the game kind of change right now. You understand? If you not have a fan base, if you not have fans, you get knocked. You understand? You get knocked right now. I know me see what going on with the people. When Russian, can remember seem like a Russian say dancehall boring. See? Although them say a theme artist like Kartel, then say I run a place. We don't know what I mean by music. Musically we are talking about. I saw you run dancehall. Musically. Cause show and a forever Kartel I go do show mean a heavy day I do show. I know one denim I do show on a heavy day. You understand? So these are the thing, people. Remember, you know, when Russian drop a rhythm, may I tell you something, because you see them dancehall artists, yeah, some of them just lazy. You understand? Them don't want to try new things. That are the problem. The whole of them comfortable and want to go down the same route. You see it? And that's how we kill the thing too. Some of them people, them come on out them thing. Them there every party, every night. Them there yasso. Them there on every shows. All when them not get no bookings. Yeah, them think they kill out the thing. You understand? Yeah, them not really make the people them focus on the music. You see, they make them focus on the drama and all of these things. You see, that's how we kill the thing. I'ma tell it to people. Them they everywhere, everybody see them. You see me, and to everybody see them when them drop them music. Nobody not really tune in. You understand? They really tune into the music like that. You see it. You go to Africa, you see them. Everywhere you go, you see them. You see it. But I'm tell the people, I realize, when Russian drop a rhythm, 50 artists want to go up on it. 50 artists want to go up on the one rhythm. If you realize, from I think from last year, January, when Russian drop the rhythm, Dirty Money, and I see how the man them a fight to go up on the one rhythm. Zine, the last one the Russian drop, about 50 people enter the rhythm. I say, yo, bro, when want to know, we just want to take the easy route. Everybody want to do one thing. You know, so them think they kill John or brother. How much I want can bust off of the one rhythm? Eh? The amount of artists, one to the other producer them. Maybe them producer they have different sound and all of them look or something there. You understand? But them young, some of them young artists here, them depend the same rhythm, them do the same thing. So it's like nothing not different from nobody not outside of the box, everybody inside, and that's the problem. You understand? But listen to say people.
Music business a style for brother. And it don't look good, bro. It shows them, it look good for the shows them, but it don't look good for the music on a whole, bro. On a big man level, brother. You know what I do to the music, brother. But it's not a good look for dancehall, dog. Whenever
Yo, people, Kartel not doing nothing. Kartel not doing nothing for the music, or him not do nothing for the music, and him not do nothing for them. Not Kartel the problem. Kartel is not the problem. Because if Kartel was a problem, Kartel would not do way better when it comes to musically. Right now, like the hats, the song them, and the album sales them and all of them look or something. Them not do none of that. Same kind of fall into the line like the regular artists, them not go on with nothing. Him just a do shows. You understand? And the highlighting, I'm sure what them a do, make it seems like say yo, him a done something musically. Remember him catalog for me sang them from way back when, you know, before 2020, you know. Seeing I'm sang them before that. The people them a listen to when him go at the party them go sing and rare. You understand? So on a recent music them he must sing when him go them place there. You have to check like from when him bus forward up till about 2016, 2018. So you understand? A them song that when him go at the show them for perform, a them song them sing. You understand? But the song them with 2020 forward up, nothing not dead. You see, nothing really dead like that. You see it, so I just that are the difference. Like, yeah, he must sell the ticket, them he must do this, he must do that when it comes to shows. And it look good for dancehall. But want to when him nah do no shows. Where is the music? That is the problem. Where is the music? I remember, you know, him say, yo, him want to do this for dancehall. Him keep on living at the Lulu people because him feel like say him alone can do it. Bro, can remember, you know, him say him want to bring dancehall to the level of Afrobeat and all of them look or something there. You understand? Not knowing say, bro, I know one artist that carry Afrobeat, brother. So you yourself, you're 49-year-old and you feel like say there's no artist in a no genre where 49 I go 50 I run the thing and I lead the thing right now. No. Because I remember say a generational thing do it, you know. You understand? Kartel generation kinda take time and I go right now. That's why you see music, nobody not really tap into the music right now. Maybe if him try tap in and sing back like a gun song or so, yeah, people will look into it and all of these things, but nothing now, cause that them really know him for him core fan base. You understand? Worse, you see, worse him go live a foreign now. The people them in the pan the local like a Jamaican now where the DJs them and certain local people, them not go really say yo, them not go really, you know, them out deal with who they are yard and who give them the strength. You understand? But Kartel can't do nothing for dancehall musically right now. Yeah, him can go and do some shows cause years him not go these places. But want to win no show and keep, where is the music? That is a problem, you know. You understand? Because right now, if you check it, the TikToker them have shows and all of them look or something there. Birthday party, much people found out. You know why them people did it? Remember, you know, them TikToker you know do music. Are the drama we are sell right now. See Vybz Kartel come out, I be a TikTok him a do. Vybz Kartel get more views on TikTok than he would get on him music. It's like people not realize. So it's sure you say people not to buy into music like that again. You understand? It's a drama, things where them can see, not where them can hear. Because if you realize any song where you go viral right now, it have to go like a little controversy thing. Like when Massacre drop the goat song. And they must say, yo, she goat, and they must say, yo, you must try size up with Kartel. Yeah. At that is what I try to say. At that make a song, get it look of views and everything. The game change right now. Kartel can't even save it right now. Him can't save nothing musically. You understand? Because right now him just a sing a be a girl song he must sing. Be a girl song. But the song them when must sing it now, it not really gida. I be a disrespect, him a disrespect the girl them in his song. You understand? I just that. You see it? So it not really. I remember you know the gangster them not really want to hear them something they like. You see me? The man them want some bad man song, the man them want gangster song. But you don't know why him not really do that. But Kartel can't do nothing. Me I tell you. if Kartel, you say if Kartel leave out from prison, seeing if him leave out from prison, I see him do some big numbers. And every song I go Billboard and yeah. You understand? The album them we might drop, I sell some 10,000 copy. I could have said, yeah, you might do it, but no, nothing there. You understand? Yeah, I pull a big crowd and everything, but the performance, you understand? A lot of people buy a ticket and them are worry about it right now. You understand? But when the shows are over, what going to be happening with the music them? You understand? Right now, him do a lot of collab with some album and Ray, but you know, look on the big collab with him and move out of them and Bounty and Pujo. Nobody not talk about it. You understand? Nobody not talk about it. The game just change right now. Drama selling more. Social media gets so powerful where it kind of blackball the music. People mostly are focused on like the drama, especially YouTube, like the drama stuff. And then the music now, whatever in the music video or whatever music, man name get called up, man get this. Yeah, that bring the controversy and so comes the music can sell. You understand? But people, when I don't know, one media facts. You see me? That is it. Bless up, respect, like, share, subscribe. You see, that is it.